The average middle-class worker will pay more in taxes over their lifetime than they will ever spend on food, clothes, or housing combined. And here's the crazy part. Most people think that's just normal. Meanwhile, some millionaires legally pay $0 in federal income tax, not because they're cheating, but because they're playing a different rule book. This video is going to make some people uncomfortable because everything you were taught about taxes is backwards. You were taught how to pay taxes, not how to avoid them legally. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 5 legal strategies the wealthy use to reduce their tax bill, sometimes all the way to 0, and why the system quietly rewards people who own assets instead of working harder. Let's get one thing straight. Taxes aren't random. They're not punishment. They're incentives. Governments tax behaviors they want less of and give tax breaks to behaviors they want more of. They want people to invest. They want people to build businesses. They want people to create housing and jobs. But here's the enemy, the paycheck mindset. If you earn money only from a job, you are the perfect taxpayer. Your taxes come out automatically. No strategies, no flexibility, no escape. Primate economics time. Imagine 2 monkeys. Monkey A gathers bananas every day and eats them immediately. Monkey B plants banana trees. Which monkey does the jungle reward long term? The tax system works the same way. Workers get taxed first. Owners get taxed last, if at all. There are 3 types of income: earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. Only one of these gets absolutely destroyed by taxes. Earned income is your salary, hourly wage, overtime, the stuff most people rely on. Let's say you earn $80,000 a year. By the time federal tax, state tax, Social Security, and Medicare hit, you might keep $55,000. Reality check. Most people believe earning more is the solution. But if you jump from $80K to $120K, you don't keep 50% more. You often keep less than half of the raise. The system punishes earned income because it's predictable and easy to tax. That's why the wealthy avoid it. Here's a truth nobody explains in school. A business is not just a way to make money. It's a tax filter. Let's say you make $100,000 freelancing or online. If that money goes directly to you, taxed. But if it flows through a business, you can deduct expenses before tax. Laptop? Deductible. Phone? Deductible. Internet? Deductible. Home office? Partially deductible. Now your taxable income drops from $100K to maybe $65K. Reality check. People think deductions are small, but deductions come before taxes, not after. A $10,000 deduction could save you $3,000 to $4,000 instantly. Real estate is the closest thing to a legal tax loophole that exists because of one word: depreciation. You can buy a property that goes up in value while the IRS lets you claim it's wearing out. That paper loss can cancel real income. Example: you earn $90,000 from your job. Your rental property shows a $20,000 paper loss. Your taxable income is now $70,000. Reality check. People say real estate is risky, but what's riskier? Owning assets with tax benefits or working 40 years hoping taxes don't increase? The stock market rewards patience, and so does the tax code. Hold investments for over 1 year, and your tax rate can drop dramatically. Short-term trades equal regular income tax. Long-term gains equal lower capital gains tax. Some people legally pay 0% on gains. Reality check. Day trading feels productive, but long-term ownership quietly wins. The market rewards owners, not gamblers.
Retirement accounts are time machines for taxes. Traditional accounts delay taxes. Roth accounts erase them. Put $6,500 into a Roth IRA annually. Over 30 years, that can grow to hundreds of thousands, tax-free. Reality check. People think retirement accounts are boring, but boring beats broke, and tax-free money beats everything.
Let's recap. The goal isn't to cheat taxes. The goal is to stop overpaying. Earn less from wages, earn more from assets. Use businesses, real estate, investing, and time. Your action step today? Open one account. Start one asset. Learn one deduction. Momentum beats perfection. And if your goal is to hit your first $100,000, build real wealth, and stop playing the paycheck game, subscribe. Because the system isn't broken. You were just never taught how it works.